Alright, I gotta run up Jarrett's. His car's down. He called me last night and said that it wouldn't hardly start, and he went and bought a battery. Put a battery in it at the AutoZone, and then he drove it home last night in the dark, running the lights and all that, and then this morning he said it wouldn't start, so I guess it's the alternator. So we're going to, actually he went and got an alternator, so I'm gonna run up there and see if he needs some help doing it. So hopefully we can get it fixed.
So,
all right, here's the situation we're in.
I got the bottom bolt started.
You already got it on?
Yeah. I don't know how to. I don't really want to loosen this because this is what tension it was at already.
Yeah.
I don't know if I should just freaking crank this over and slide this bolt in, or just. I guess I could mark where this is.
Yeah, just loosen it. It's no big deal.
I don't know how much tension to put on it. Do you?
I'll figure it out.
I had a hard time getting that freaking bottom bolt out. And the YouTube video was like, yeah, you just take this bolt out.
You getting it?
No, I can't. Oh, wait, that's gone. Man, it's easy to take out. I'm just worried about the belt because I don't have a flashlight to look down there and make sure the belt's on it.
I got a flashlight.
Why do you think they just, when they change the oil, just pour oil all over the...
Well, I mean, you go to the quick lube place. What's going on, Walker? What you got? Huh?
What you got there, buddy?
Turn it around. Let me see what you got.
Show Pop what you got.
Turn it around.
Put Thomas down and show him.
You got some new cars, huh? That's pretty cool. Got Thomas the Tank Engine and everything. You going in to play with those?
Yes.
Okay.
Which?
Wrench. All right.
Alright, we're gonna see if this thing fires.
Was that normal? Get a little smoke coming from the back there. Is the battery light still on?
No, that's all. I think it does that. It does that every once in a while. Like every couple months, you'll go to start it and it'll fire and it'll die. And you gotta crank it and give it some gas, a little bit of gas.
That sounds alright. Alright. You fixed it.
Usually don't have to give it gas to keep it running though. Like
Yeah.
this is a little slow to
I don't know, probably. Alright, she's back on the road. What year is this thing?
2010.
How many miles are on it?
213,000.
No, she's a runner, isn't she?
Yeah.
Second one?
I think we put that one in.
Huh. Well, hopefully this one lasts longer than a few minutes then. I'll just leave it on there.
Leave it on there.
I guess.
I don't want it on there.
I'd leave it on there.
Why? Why does it need to be on there?
I don't know, it just does.
Me and the boys were going to the park last night. We pull into the park, pull into the parking spot, and the power steering goes out of it. So I gotta back up, and I'm like cranking it like it's a giant cruise ship, trying to turn it. We were like, I don't even think we were a quarter mile from the auto parts store, and we're sitting at a stop sign, and it's the dash is flickering, and the car's going, go look. We're in the middle of Independence. There's 1,000 cars. We would have had the whole tri-state blocked up. It died in the middle of the road. It was going like, go look. So we just drive the wrong way down the street and into the thing, and we're pulling into the parking spot, and it dies, and it just stalled right when we got into the parking spot.
And then you got, what'd you do then?
Yeah, we got a new battery. We went and got a new battery at the auto parts store.
They put the battery in and you drove home and it wouldn't fire this morning?
Yeah, it didn't start this morning. Oh no, my wife's calling me. Well, so
Right.
so we put the battery in it, and the little battery light was still on. When we were on the way to the park, I noticed the battery light was on. Remember, I called you, and so I guess I just figured it needed a new battery. But we put the battery in it.
Did they check the battery or just get a new one?
I just got a new one. We didn't even check anything. I should have checked the alternator. While we were there, but so it was getting dark. And I didn't want to run the lights, so we were driving home without the lights on. And people are stopping and honking and flagging. I mean, 15 people told me to turn my lights on while we were driving down the road. I mean, it wasn't dark yet.
Yeah.
It was like dusk.
Yeah.
People were freaking out about not having the lights on. And then this morning it didn't start. It did that thing it does when you fire it and then it just dies.
Yeah. All right. Well, he's got this one wrapped up. So we're gonna do some other videos. Got more coming. So
We're going to do a mattress install next.
subscribe to our channel. So that's it for this one. Catch you on the next one.
Mattress